Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. So today I have a shop card, or I guess a driver card. Billy Strange sent me his driver card. Really cool. Thank you, Billy, for that. And if you haven't checked out his channel, go check him out. I'll leave a link in the description. So Billy, I don't think he hasn't built too many. He's kind of new to the hobby. I don't know if new to the hobby, but new to making model videos anyway, for sure. But he's kind of transitioning his channel from a racing channel to model building. So go give him a look, a sub, show him some love, tell him I sent you, and yeah. So thank you, Billy, for the card. Appreciate it. So I've got a couple of stash ads as well. So the wife went across the line to Hobby Lobby, and I was looking online while she was there, and she's like, "What do you want? What do you want?" And so anyways, she got me this one. I've been wanting this one for quite a while. She got it really cheap. Compared, I think it was 25 bucks or something like that. So I'm really stoked for the 71 Olds 442. We got another 71 Dodge Demon kit, so that's pretty sweet. I can build one stock and one custom. And you can't have too many Corvettes, so I got a 1967 Corvette, the Revell. This is a pretty nice kit. I think I got, I'm not too sure which one it is I have, but I got, maybe it's a 64. But anyways, I really wanted this one too.
I'm going downstairs.
So, you're going downstairs? Alright. Love ya. Okay, so our audience has left. Okay, so I'll just go over some of the stuff that I'm working on right now. A bit of a bench update. I haven't really been doing a whole lot of work. I did get all the panel lines done on this, deepened with the scriber tool. I did make a couple boo-boos on this. So right here you can see I've got that filled, and then up here I filled another scar that I messed up on. This is all sanded out, ready for primer, but oh no, it's not ready for primer. I still have to put on the trim for the vinyl top. So this is the Terry Thacker tribute build, going very slow. So there's that. I've also got the Broncos rear wheel wells, so pretty much roughed in. I think they look pretty decent so far. I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna sand out the rest of the body and put it in primer and see how it looks, and then kind of go from there. I kind of don't like this trim. There's a truck in town, a Bronco, white one, with a half cab. It doesn't have this. I don't know what year it is, but I think it looks a lot sharper without this trim line here. So I don't know. I might take that right off. We'll see. But as for the wheel wells, I think they're looking pretty good. fairly symmetrical with the fronts. This isn't as straight as I wanted it to be. Like this is pretty straight all the way up to here. Like this is where the curve starts. And mine is slightly curved all through here. It should come up a little higher, but I think I can live with that, because if I end up trimming here, and then that's going to make this skinnier, and then I'll have to move this out, and I really don't want to do all that. So I think I'm going to live with the slight curve that starts here rather than up here where it should be. But I think I can live with that. So I might, like I said, I might remove the trim line, and then we'll go from there and see how it looks. And then the other group build is the Porsche group build. I've been working on this as well. So I've got the body all sanded. I've got the panel lines done. So the front bonnet, the doors, sanded down. I didn't do any oopsies on this one, which was great. Oh no, actually I did. On the fuel door. Right there. So I got that filled. There was some pretty significant parting lines, mold lines, sorry, on the front fenders and all on this front clip. So I've been working that. So I'm pretty much ready for primer on this one. These lines back here came out pretty good. Some 400. So you can see the lines here. They didn't protrude as much as these. These ones were really bad. I had to do a lot of sanding on these front fenders in here. This line went right across. So you can see a little bit of filler there. And then I busted this right here, so I had to glue that back together. So I kind of have an idea of a paint scheme for this. This is a road version GTR. Sorry, GT2 road version, but I kind of want to go with a different theme as far as paint. So I'm thinking red. Do this front bottom here. So this piece, this would be white. And then there's another piece that goes down here, would be white as well. I don't know, maybe doing this whole thing white, but then it wouldn't match up back here because there's nothing to really paint. I don't know if that'll look funky or not. But I'm thinking this front white, and then the wing just fits in here like this. And then just thinking of doing this part white, and then all of it red around. So we'll see how that goes. I'll just want to show you the color real quick. I'm just gonna pause this, grab it. Okay, so this is the color. Red. It's called Carrera Red. I know it's not a Porsche color, but it's actually matches Chrysler's original color. I've had this one. This is a really old style cans from Duplicolor, and I've had this for years. And I kind of wanted to do a Porsche with it, so I'm gonna just the name of it, you know, Porsche Carrera or whatever. I know it's not the correct color or whatever, but I think this would be kind of neat to have it in this color, and then do the white, like I said, the wing, the front, and then the side white. So I think that'll look really cool, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But like I said, progress is slow. It's been super hot here, so it's not really good painting weather. Hopefully we can get something down in the 20s so we can throw some primer on these things. But yeah, other than that, I don't really have anything else that I've done. I've been kind of working on this Iceman Collections engine. So I got it all off the tree or whatever, and started kind of drilling, just widening the holes, slowly widening the holes for wires and whatnot. The holes are already there, they just need to be tweaked a little bit. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I'm waiting on a replacement head from Joel. So you can see this is imperfection here on this head. So I let him know when I figured it out. I let him know what the issue was, and he literally packed it up that day. And I mean, I think he even had to print one out. But he did that. He printed it out and got it sent out to me right away. So I really appreciate Joel for his awesome customer service. So he's sending me one of those. And this kit didn't come with a starter and a lower, not the harmonic, might be the harmonic balancer. Anyways, it's the piece that hooks up to the bottom of the timing chain cover. So it was missing that piece. So this one goes on to the, where is it? The water pump. Like this. Right? Sits over top. So I was missing this lower piece. So he's sending that out as well. So like I said, thank you to Joel for that. Appreciate the speedy response. And I've been trying to drill this out as well, just so the wires can fit in there, but it's slow going. Got that drilled out. So I was just looking at this starter. It looks really awesome. So cool. So just for a comparison, here's the Iceman, and then here is the carb from Fireball. Oops. Oh boy. Pretty decent detail on both. Obviously the Fireball is a bit better, but both are really nice. I just thought that was neat. I had these out comparing them. Pretty cool stuff. I'll probably go with this, the intended carb. But yeah, so that's looking good. I got all that almost ready to go. So yeah, that's it. That's everything I got. Everything I've been kind of just puttering away at, and hope everyone's had a good week. Weekend's coming up. I gotta go back to work, and hope everyone's doing well. Prayers for those who need them, and talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you very much.